Hello everyone. I am so excited to share with everyone who is watching this my experience with plastic surgery, having gone through it about 2 months ago now. I did it September 14th of 2021. And before anything else, I did my homework, I did my research. Living in Los Angeles, I interviewed a good 4 or 5 doctors, plastic surgeons here in Beverly Hills. I also interviewed and had consultations with 2 in New York City. And then I was recommended to Mel Maestre, my doctor in Colombia. And we had a number of Zoom meetings. I saw his before and afters, and after quite a number of phone conversations, letting him know what I was interested in doing and achieving, I felt so confident in this man's ability not only to listen to me in a way that no other doctor that I consulted with did, but asked me the right questions and also gave me a good idea of what I was in for and what he could do and how much he could do and what I was expecting to achieve. I flew to Colombia, and right from the get-go, I met him the first day I arrived, had dinner with him. And then I went to the recovery house where you stayed while you are recovering after surgery. And that was on a Saturday. On a Monday, I had surgery. I was taken by the recovery house to the hospital. I met the doctor there. They treated me so well, very advanced, very impressed by the hospital in general. And I was able to immediately enter without too much red tape. And once I was inside, I was treated in a way that they informed me of what was going on, and they prepared me for the operation that morning. And within a few hours, I woke up in that same day, and they took me I spent one night at the hospital. I had no pain. I was very comfortable. And what I'm more impressed about today is that I can't see my stitches. I can't see any type of markings where they did the surgery, whether it was for the eyes, my eyelids, the sides of my eyes to do the underneath, or the sides for the around the ears for the rest of the face, jaw, and neck. That to me was something that a lot of friends of mine who have had plastic surgeries told me to be aware of. That's something that, you want a doctor that does its best to camouflage the scarring. I have none. I can't say enough about my excitement and enthusiasm with the outcome and how I feel about myself and the work that he did, which was just amazing. I can't recommend highly enough Dr. Mel Maestro, and I can't recommend highly enough the recovery house where I stayed for 20 days with 24 hours a day nursing. In fact, at the hospital, I had a nurse stayed with me that one night that I stayed there. They slept right by me, so that I haven't experienced that in the U.S. I'm sorry to say that. I've been in hospitals here, and you have to call the nurse, and hopefully they'll show up within a reasonable amount of time. She was there, didn't leave my side until I left the hospital. I highly, highly recommend to interview the doctor and seek his advice, and you will not, in my opinion, and I've had a number of people now that I've met that had surgery with him, and they're all, like myself, extremely happy. Thank you for listening. I hope you appreciate my interest in sharing with everyone this extraordinary outcome. And let me show you, this is, if you can see the before and after, and I still have a little bit of darkness underneath my eyes from the bruising that takes about 3 months to go away. I'm in my 2nd month, but I am totally so satisfied. Even my neck, which I was most concerned about, it came out just incredible. My jawline, my chin, my neck, and my eyes. I can't say enough how happy I am in sharing this with all of you. Thank you for listening.